Hello students, today my topic is substitution method. It is one of the methods which is going to use in linear equation of two variable. Okay, so in this method we have to just use a substitution. That's why its name is substitution method, and I had written in short that this method is based on substitution. This method is based on substitution of one variable in terms of other variable. This is done as follows. It is a simple method. We have just to find out a substitution for either x in terms of y or sometimes y in terms of x, depending on your condition or it is up to your interest what you want to substitute. You can do it very easily, and we have to find out a substitution of one variable in terms of other variable, and then later on we will use that substitution to use that thing in another equation. Okay, this will help you to convert two variable equation in one variable. So we can perform this as done in the question. Okay, now see, I had taken two questions. In this, solve the following system of equation by substitution method. Sometimes it is mentioned in the question that you have to use the substitution method. Okay, now here I had taken first question, 3x minus 5y is equal to minus 1 and x minus y is equal to minus 1. I had given the equation number 1 and equation number 2 in this system of equation. Now I had taken equation number 1. From equation 1 I have converted 3x, this is the equation number 1, 3x minus 5y is equal to minus 1. Okay, now I have taken 3x on the left hand side and transferred this minus 5y on the right hand side, so it will become minus 1 plus 5y. Okay, now I am transferring this 3 on the right hand side, so this thing is written as 5y minus 1, and this 3x which was multiplied here, it is transferred, it will going to be divided. So this is the substitution, x in terms of y, x is equal to 5y minus 1 upon 3. Now I am going to use this substitution as equation number 3. Now substitute, this is the main line, substitute the value of x from equation 3 in equation 2, because I had used equation 1, so we have only two equation left, so then I am using that for the substitution. And the equation 2 is x minus y is equal to minus 1. Okay, now if I put x in as 5y minus 1 upon 3 and this minus y as it is equal to minus 1. Now I am taking 3 as an LCM. This is 3 and denominator y is 1, so the LCM of 3 and 1 is 3, and 3 divided by 3 becomes 1, and 1 multiplied by this 5y minus 1 becomes 5y minus 1, and this 3 is going to be multiplied with this, so we have whole LCM type of this is upon sign, and this is the LCM, and we have 5y minus 1 minus 3 is equal to 3y is upon 3 is equal to minus 1. So this 5y and 3y will be subtracted, it becomes 2y, and this minus 1 is as it is. Okay, now I am transferring this 3 on the right hand side, this 3 will be transferred on the right hand side, becomes minus 3. Okay, now 2y is as it is on the left hand side, and this minus 1 is converted into right hand side, it will be minus 3 plus 1, so it is 2y minus 2y is equal to minus 2, and on transferring this 2 on the right hand side we will get y is equal to minus 1. Okay, now I will going to substitute this y in equation number 3. So x is equal to 5 minus 1 upon 3, so it will be minus 5 minus 1 divided by 3, it will be minus 6 divided by 3, so the answer is x is equal to minus 1. This is the basic method of substitution.